How to find all your comments on Facebook. Now let's say you want to find the comments that you have posted on with your account and delete them as well. All you have to do in order for you to find those comments or locate them is to tap on these three lines in the upper corner right here. Scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. All you have to do is to tap on that and click on Settings. Once you're on your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find the Your Activity section. And under that, you will be able to see Activity Log. So you just have to click on that. In the upper part of Activity Log, you will be able to see categories that you have on your account. So you just have to scroll it until you find your comments right here. So you just have to click on that. And you will be able to see every comments that you have on your Facebook account. Now, in order for you to delete that, all you have to do is to tap on these three dots right here and click on Delete. Now you are able to locate and delete the comments that you have posted on your Facebook account. So that's how to find all your comments on Facebook. Hope we helped.